Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app, and today we learn to create a new credit note. To create a new credit note, click on this tab. Fill in all the details. The fields that are marked in red are the compulsory ones, so make sure you do not miss filling on these details. Address information, alright, once this is done, just click on save and the new credit note will be created. So that's how you create new credit notes in the Galla app. Hope this helps you. Thank you.